Look, do it again. Hey, what's in your mouth? What is that? Joey, how many did you...
Chicken nuggets.
How many?
1.
2 chicken nuggets? What does that mean if you eat 2 more chicken nuggets?
When I get a plastic one.
It does not.
Yes.
It does?
Yes.
Says who?
And then $20 in.
Here, close that for Mommy, please. Those are dirty. Thanks. Hey, look at me.
Uh-oh.
Cl-
Look.
Close it. It's dirty, Joey. You're not going to be able to get a popsicle if you do that.
Wait. Oh, I got it.
No, it's not ready. No. It's not ready. Thanks, though. What color popsicle do you want?
Blue.
Is your chicken nuggets all gone? Let me see. Are you sure? I don't know.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am? What do you say?
Thank you.
And this. That's the wrong one. There you go.